If you need to recover your Trip.com account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Trip.com login page. Go to the Trip.com website and navigate to the login section. Look for the Forgot Password link to start the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Input the email address associated with your Trip.com account. This is crucial as it will be used to send you recovery instructions. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Trip.com containing a password reset link. If you don't see it in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the password reset instructions. Click on the link provided in the email. You will be directed to a page where you can create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong and secure password. Step 5. Log in with your new password. Return to the Trip.com login page and enter your email and the new password you just created. You should now have access to your account. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Trip.com customer support for further assistance.